Hello students, hope you will be fine. At your respective places, today we are going to discuss microbes in human welfare, and this topic it can be discussed under various headings. First one, that is the microbes in industrial production. Second one is the microbes in the household food processing. Third is the microbes in sewage treatment, and number four, that is the microbes in biogas production, or we can say in the energy production. Now, let us try first to discuss what is meant by the microbes. Microbes are those substances which can't be seen with the naked eye, but they can be seen with the help of the microscope. Microbes की अगर हम बात करेंगे, they belong to the kingdom Monera, Protista, fungi, viruses, viroids, and protein. Prions, sorry. Microbes की अगर हम बात करेंगे, they are found almost everywhere in the world. They have been found almost everywhere in all parts of the biosphere, including अगर हम बात करेंगे soil की, water की, land की. These microbes अगर हम बात करेंगे, they inhabit the extreme environmental condition where we will see the advanced living organisms including the human beings. They cannot survive. Microbes, they can be found inside the body of the other organisms, and they can live there as parasites or they can live there as symbionts. Microbes, they can live in a wide variety of the environmental conditions. They can be found in the very extreme cold conditions. They can be found in the very extreme hot conditions. They can be found in the saline. They can be found in the freshwater bodies. So we can say they are found almost everywhere in this world. As the microbes, they are microscopic in nature and can't be seen with the naked eye, but they can be seen with the help of the microscope. So these are first multiplied in the culture medium under the aseptic conditions, as their rate of multiplication is very fast and rapid. For example, a bacterium, it can multiply after every 20 minutes under favorable conditions. Now these microbes, or we can say microscopic organisms, they have got some economic importance. They are both harmful as well as they are beneficial to the human beings. Regarding their harmfulness, harmful अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, they act as a pathogens, and they are the causal organisms of various dreadful diseases in the human beings, like we can say tetanus, like whooping cough, like this typhoid, etc. They not only act as a pathogens in human beings, but they also cause very dreadful diseases in our cattle, as well as in a number of economically useful plants. Now, microbes are not only harmful to us, but they also are beneficial to the human beings, and they are beneficial effect जो हम देखते हैं, how they are useful to the human beings, they can be discussed under various headings. And first of them is how the microbes they play an important role in the industrial production. And in this industrial production, it can be discussed under various headings. First one, production of fermented beverages. Second one, production of antibiotics. Third one, some industrial products like the bioactive molecules, that includes the organic acids, that includes the enzymes, that includes the cyclosporin A, that includes the vitamins, that includes the statins. Now, let us try to first discuss how they are useful in the production of the fermented beverages. Production of fermented beverages, including alcoholic drinks like beer, whiskey, rum, red wine, etc. in the brewing industry, is based on the alcoholic fermentation of the malted cereals and other juices. Now, it is done in the presence of the It is done in the presence of the breathing agent, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Now, the type of alcoholic drink obtained and the percentage of alcohol present in them varies and depends upon the type of raw material used for the fermentation and the type of processing. These alcoholic drinks, they may be undistilled like that of अगर हम बात करेंगे रेड वाइन की, अगर हम बात करेंगे बियर की, and they may be distilled like that of whiskey, like that of rum. ये भी देखा गया है कि दैट द टू स्पीड अप द माल्टिंग प्रोसेस इन ब्रीविंग इंडस्ट्री प्लांट ग्रोथ हार्मोन दैट इज जिबरेलिक एसिड हैज बीन यूज्ड. सेकेंड वन जो हम बात करेंगे दैट इज द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ द एंटीबायोटिक. नाउ लेट अस ट्राई फर्स्ट टू डिस्कस व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द एंटीबायोटिक्स. Antibiotics are those substances which are produced by harmful living organisms but in low concentration, and they जो हम low concentration and are antagonistic to the growth of the harmful, or we can say the pathogenic microorganisms. These antibiotics, the term अगर हम बात करेंगे, it has been derived from the Greek word that is the anti, that means against, and biot, that means the life. And the first antibiotic, it has been discovered by the Alexander Fleming by chance. जो उसने काम किया, जो उसने एंटीबायोटिक जो उसने डिस्कवर किया, it was discovered by chance. Now what he has done, the first antibiotic he जो उसने डिस्कवर किया अलेक्जेंडर फ्लेमिंग ने, he was working on streptococcus bacteria. He noticed that this bacteria, it cannot grow on the culture media, on some parts of the culture media. On the examination of this and that area, that showed the presence of the mold, that is Penicillium notatum. It is because of this Penicillium notatum that this bacteria जो है it cannot grow. Since then a number of antibiotics have been discovered, and like we have got the tetracycline, we have got the neomycin, we have got the leomycin, etc. And these antibiotics, they have been used to cure various dreadful diseases, not only in the human beings but also in our cattle, but also in our जो हमारे पास मुख्तलिफ इम्पॉर्टेंट यूजफुल इकोनॉमिकली यूजफुल प्लांट्स, उनको क्योर करने के लिए हम इन एंटीबायोटिक्स का जो हम यूज़ कर लेते हैं. These antibiotics, they are used to control, rather हम ये बात करेंगे इस तरह, that they are used to control a number of the infectious diseases in the human beings, and the various diseases that includes cholera, that includes tetanus, that includes cough, that includes diphtheria, etc. These antibiotics, they played an important role in lowering down the death rate. They have also been found in controlling the various dreadful diseases in other animals. जिसमें हमारे पास जो हमारे जो कैटल जो है, they are also included in this, and they have also been found to control the various dreadful diseases in our economically useful plants. Antibiotics अगर हम बात कर लेंगे एक और, that they can be used in the preservation of the food, especially the fresh meat, especially the fish, especially अगर हम बात करें जो हम फीड, एनिमल फीड जो होता है उसको प्रिजर्व करने में they played an important role. थर्ड बात अगर हम कर लेंगे, they played an important role as a supplement in animal feed. Thus they played an important role in the growth and development of our this cattle. Third जो हमारे पास आता है, that is this bioactive molecules. What are these bioactive molecules? Bioactive molecules are those organic molecules which are produced on commercial scale by the microbes and are useful in the human welfare. And these biomolecules, they include organic acids, enzymes, cyclosporin A, vitamins, and statins. Now let us try to first discuss these organic acids. What are the various organic acids? What is the source of those organic acids, and what is the use of those organic acids which can be isolated, which can be synthesized in industries? First one is that is this lactic acid. जो lactic acid का जो हम source देखते हैं, that is lactobacillus bulgaris, and this lactic acid is used in the curdling of the milk. Second one जो organic acid अगर हम बात कर लेंगे, that is this acetic acid, और जो source है acetic acid का, that is the Acetobacter aceti, and जो इसका use जो है, that it is used in the preservation of the food. It is used in the making of the pickle. थर्ड अगर हम एक और एग्जांपल यहाँ पर ऑर्गेनिक एसिड के देंगे, दैट इज द साइट्रिक एसिड, और इसका जो सोर्स है दैट इज दिस साइट्रिक एसिड का, दैट इज द एस्परजिलस नाइगर, और इट इज यूज्ड इन द डाइंग इंडस्ट्री, इट इज यूज्ड इन द मेकिंग ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ द मेडिसिन. Second one, that is this enzyme. A number of enzymes have been commercially produced by these microbes, and these microbes जो हैं, these enzymes, they play an important role in our day-to-day life. Here again, I will give you some examples of some enzymes which have been produced from these microbes, and what is the source of these enzymes. एक एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं यहाँ पर बात एग्जाम्पल है, दैट इज दिस इनवर्टेज जो है, दैट इट हैज बीन obtained from the bacteria, that is obtained from the microbe, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. अगर हम एक और, that is the protease, that protease it is obtained from this aspergillus species, that is the aspergillus niger. एक और हमारे पास एंजाइम जो है, that is the lipase, it has been obtained from Candida lipolytica, Candida lipolytica. Now this has third one, that is the cyclosporin A. It is produced by the fungus Trichoderma polysporum, and it is used as an immunosuppressor agent to decrease the failure of the organ transplantation. Second one जो अगर हम बात करेंगे, this vitamins, these are the rich sources of the vitamin B complex, vitamin K, vitamin B12. They are also synthesized by symbiotic bacteria of human gut. Then we have got the statins. Statins, what we will see, these are also these bioactive molecules which are produced by the yeast Monococcus purpurea, and inhibit this statins. It inhibits the enzyme involved in the cholesterol synthesis. Thus these statins जो है, they helps us in lowering the cholesterol level in the blood stream. That is all for today. Rest okay. God bless you. Thank you.